A lot of chemical reactions occur in solution. In other words, instead of having the pure reactants, the reactants are dissolved into water most often, and the solutions are combined for the reaction. And so because of that, we need to know how to deal with concentration in doing these calculations. The most common unit of concentration in chemistry is molarity, and it's important that you see that this is a capital M, not a lowercase m. Lowercase m means some different things. So molarity is defined as moles of solute. If you haven't seen it yet, N is moles over liter of solution. So it's how much solute is dissolved in a given volume of solution. The solute will be our reactant or chemical reagent. And the way this is used, how it's said, is if we're given the concentration 2.5, you read that capital M as molar, 2.5 molar sodium chloride. That means there's 2.5 moles of sodium chloride in a liter of the solution. And notice I did imply that it is in water. Almost all of the time the solvent is water. And so if it doesn't tell you that the solvent is something else, which we won't see, it's understood that it is in water. So molarity is a conversion factor. It gives you a way to go between volume of the solution and the moles of the reactant that's in the solution. So we already have, we're going to practice doing some math with this before we get into the stoichiometry. We already know how to get between grams and moles. That's using molar mass. But now we have a new conversion factor to go between moles of a substance and volume of its solution, and it's molarity.